In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to get the Black Friday deal on Waalaxy. So let's get started. So here we are in Waalaxy, and basically you just need to go here into their website using the link in the description. And then you would now get 50% off on annual plans. No coupon code needed. And take note that this is only valid for 24 hours and currently there's only 5 hours left. So as soon as you see this video, make sure to click the link in the description, go here and get the discount. So once you're here, you want to simply click here on start for free. And then you will now be prompted into this page wherein you would need to set up your account in Waalaxy. So in here, you can continue with your LinkedIn account. You can click here and now you'll be prompted here into LinkedIn login portal. Now you just need to provide your login details to log in into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, you will now have this confirmation to connect your LinkedIn to Waalaxy. You want to click here on allow. Once it's done, you can now click here on add Waalaxy to Chrome. And then add to Chrome. Click on add extension to install it into Google Chrome. Once that's installed, you will now be prompted here into the homepage of Waalaxy. Now you want to click here on subscribe button at the top. And from here, you would now be able to see that it's Black Friday. So we have the sale going on right here on the yearly plans. So you would get 50% off. Now just choose the plan that you want. You can go for Pro, Advanced, Business, or Enterprise. Let's say that you would want Advanced, and basically you could also go for the number of members right here, and then click on choose this plan once you're sure, and then now make sure that you select the yearly plan so that you would get a 50% off on the total price. And now you'd be able to see that we have the add-ons right here available also if you'd want to add that. And then here under yearly advance plan, so as you can see, you only get to pay $264 for the yearly subscription. As you can see in here, the price per month is cut in half here in the yearly plan. Now, all that's left is to click here on go to payment and provide all of your payment information, payment method. Once that's done, you want to tick these boxes and click on pay now. And once that's done, you have now successfully purchased a subscription here in Waalaxy using the Black Friday deal with a massive discount. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.